Dream big, start free launching your online empire. Ever dream of escaping the 9-to-5 grind, of being your own boss? The internet has made it possible. You can build a profitable online business. And the best part? You can start for free. No expensive websites, no fancy software, just your passion and the right tools. This is the age of the infopreneur. Share your knowledge, help others, and earn income. This isn't about get-rich-quick schemes, it's about building something real, something you're proud of. It takes work, but the rewards are worth it. Freedom, flexibility, and the satisfaction of creating something from scratch. This is your journey to online success. Are you ready to begin? The power of info sharing your knowledge for profit. We all have knowledge, skills, experiences, things we're passionate about. And in the online world, that knowledge is valuable. Info products are transforming how we learn and earn. Ebooks, online courses, webinars, templates. The possibilities are endless. Think about what you know. What problems can you solve? What skills can you teach? Your knowledge is a goldmine waiting to be tapped. And the beauty of info products? They're digital. Create it once, sell it forever. Low overhead, high potential. That's the power of information in the digital age. Systeme.io, your free launchpad to online success. Starting an online business can feel overwhelming. Websites, email marketing, sales funnels. Where do you even begin? Systeme.io is your answer. This all-in-one platform gives you everything you need to launch and grow your online empire. And yes, it has a free plan. Build a website, create email sequences, host online courses, even process payments, all within Systeme.io. It's user-friendly, even for tech beginners. No more juggling multiple tools or expensive subscriptions. Systeme.io simplifies everything so you can focus on what matters, sharing your knowledge and building your business. Crafting your first info product, simple steps, big impact. Creating an info product doesn't have to be daunting. Start with your audience. What are their pain points? What solutions are they searching for? Your info product should provide real value, solving a problem or teaching a valuable skill. Keep it simple. An ebook, a short video course, a helpful checklist. Start small and build from there. Focus on quality content that is easy to consume. Remember, you're the expert. Share your knowledge in a clear, engaging way. Your audience is waiting to learn from you. Free traffic strategies, reaching your target audience. So, you have a fantastic info product, but how exactly do you find customers? Remember, traffic is the lifeblood of any online business. But hey, you don't need a huge advertising budget to make it work. There are plenty of free ways to reach your target audience. Content marketing is key here. Create valuable blog posts, videos, and social media updates that provide value and attract your ideal customers. Consider guest posting on relevant blogs and participating in online forums to also drive targeted traffic to your website. And remember, consistency is key. You'll want to post regularly and engage with your audience to build a loyal following. Mastering content marketing, your voice, your audience. Content marketing is really about connecting with your audience, building trust, and providing value. It's not just about selling aggressively, but about becoming a trusted resource. Share your expertise, offer insights, and engage in genuine conversations. Find your voice. Write in a way that feels natural and authentic to you. Let your personality shine through in your content. Take the time to research your target audience. What are their interests? What questions do they have? Tailor your content to meet their needs. And remember, content marketing is a marathon, not a sprint. Be patient, consistent, and focus on building relationships. Email marketing on a budget, building relationships, driving sales. Email marketing is still one of the most effective ways to connect with your audience and drive sales. And the best part? It can be done for free. Systeme.io's free plan includes email marketing features, allowing you to build your list and start nurturing relationships. Offer a valuable lead magnet, an ebook, checklist, or video series in exchange for email signups. Segment your list based on interests and engagement. Personalize your emails, addressing subscribers by name and sending targeted content. Provide value with every email. Share helpful tips, exclusive content, and special offers. Remember, email marketing is about building relationships, not just making sales. Social media savvy free promotion for maximum reach. Social media is a powerful tool for reaching your target audience and promoting your info product. Create engaging profiles on platforms where your audience hangs out. Share valuable content, participate in relevant conversations, and interact with your followers. Use relevant hashtags to increase visibility. Run contests and giveaways to generate excitement and grow your following. Collaborate with other influencers in your niche. Don't be afraid to get creative and experiment with different content formats. Social media is about building community and engaging with your audience. Networking for success, building connections, growing your business. Networking is crucial for any entrepreneur. Connect with other online business owners, potential partners, and mentors. Join Facebook groups, attend online events, and participate in Twitter chats. Building relationships is key. Offer support to others, share your knowledge, and ask for help when you need it. Networking can lead to collaborations, joint ventures, and valuable referrals. Remember, you're not alone in this journey. There's a supportive online community waiting to connect. Overcoming technophobia, simple tools, big results. Technology can feel intimidating, but it doesn't have to be a barrier. There are plenty of user-friendly tools available, even for tech beginners. Systeme.io simplifies website building, email marketing, and online course creation. Canva makes graphic design easy, even without design experience. And there are countless free resources available online, tutorials, blog posts, and YouTube videos to guide you through any technical challenges. Don't be afraid to experiment and learn as you go. With the right tools and resources, anyone can master the technical aspects of building an online business. Section 11. The power of free resources. Your guide to success. You don't need a huge budget to launch your online empire. The internet is a treasure trove of free resources. Take advantage of free trials of software and tools. Learn from free online courses and webinars. Download free ebooks and templates. Join Facebook groups and online forums for support and advice from experienced entrepreneurs. Follow successful bloggers and podcasters in your niche. There's a wealth of free information available to help you succeed. All you need is the willingness to learn and take action. Section 12. Taking action, from idea to income-generating reality. You have the knowledge, you have the tools, you have the resources. Now it's time to take action. Don't let fear or procrastination hold you back. Start small, take one step at a time, build your website, create your first info product. Start building your email list, set realistic goals, and celebrate your wins. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight. It takes time, effort, and persistence. But with each step you take, you're moving closer to your dream of building a profitable online business. Believe in yourself, trust the process, and take action. Section 13. You can do this. Your journey to online entrepreneurship. Starting an online business is a journey. It will have its ups and downs. There will be challenges and setbacks, but it will also be incredibly rewarding. You'll learn new skills, connect with amazing people, and create something you're truly passionate about. Embrace the journey. Celebrate your successes, learn from your mistakes, and never give up on your dreams. You have the power to create the life you want. Start today, take that first step. Your online empire awaits.